Gugulo. Hi, honey.
Hi.
Faster na. Faster.
Okay.
Huwag ka dyan ba? Nag-review si ate. Alexa.
Yeah.
Alexa.
Follow.
Come kay mami.
Then Alexa, I'm busy. Ow! So much.
Come beside mami na lang na. Dito na lang. Alexa naman. Stop it. Come kay mami.
This is not for fun, okay?
Yeah. She's not listening.
I put your foot in your forehead.
Where's your nose, Alexa? Nose. Where is your tummy? How about your ears? How about your ilong? You know ilong?
What?
Nose. Your nose. Nose.
You
How
said that
about-
already.
Yeah, okay. How about your eyes? How about your eyes? Oh, very good naman. How about your shoulder? Oh, very good naman. How about your toes? Your toes.
What's the
Yeah.
opposite of the toe? What is opposite of
How
toes
about
and-
the
and feet?
hand? The hand. Very good, Alexa. Go natin. Faster na.
Okay, I can hear this. Okay.
How about your
I can
what is it? Okay, say hi everyone.
boy.
There, Ate Ari is doing a review because she have exam tomorrow. And Alexa, what she's doing?
Messing.
She's doing
Messing.
yeah. So, tingnan mo doon lahat ng mga laruan ni Ate. What did you do, Alexa?
Alexa.
Hmm.
Alexa, circle, circle, circle.
Talo.
Circle, circle.
Where is your tummy? Tummy, what color? What color? This one, what color? Blue, very good naman. This one, what color? Violet. Violet or purple, very good naman. How about this one? What color is this? No, this one. What color? Pink. Pink. How about this one? What color is this? White, very good naman yan. What color? This one, what color? What color? Green, very good naman yan. Okay, high five, high five. High five. Okay, bye-bye. Love you. No more na? Okay, how about what color is this? This one. What I did? This one is white. The other one is green. Okay na, bye-bye. Enough na, bye-bye. Let's go. Where's your heel? Where is your tutoy? Okay, bye-bye, Alexa. Love you. Love you. Where's your eyes? Aray ko naman yan. Huwag naman ganun. Kiss your eyes, Alexa. Eyes. Where's your feet?
Swings.
How about your Kelly Kelly? Kelly Kelly. This one, Kelly Kelly.